Hi guys, I wanted to share something with you which may help you start your Nitro cars if you're having some problems. It's something that most of us will have learnt in school. I'm sure you've all seen it before, and this is it. So that diagram was the fire triangle, and it consists of fuel, oxygen and heat, and the same will apply to the nitro engine. You need fuel, which is the nitro fuel. You need that to be going from the tank through the carburetor and getting to the engine head and the glow plug. You need oxygen, also comes from the carburetor, that needs to be mixing with the fuel. And you need heat. Sometimes you need to preheat an engine, and you need the heat from the glow plug and the igniter. Now, if you remember all of those things and check them, so check if you're getting the fuel, check if you're getting the air, and check if you've got enough heat. Check your glow plug, check maybe it's too cold outside, you need to preheat the engine. If you can do all of that, you've got a much better chance of starting the engine. It may not run great, but it probably will start, and just keep checking those things. If you've got all of those things are happening, it will start. Okay guys, see you on the next one.